it's 5 p.m. It is dinner time. Got a simple dinner here. Romaine lettuce, arugula, herbs in there. I've got some chives. I've got some green onion. I've got cucumbers, tomatoes, and some shredded carrot. I've got some zucchini noodles here. I've got cucumbers, got some extra tomatoes there, and pineapple. Pineapple goes really well on salads. In the dressing, right here, I've got Meyer's lemon, honey, and 2.5, 3 tablespoons of almond butter. So I've got a little fat in the dressing. You know, remember, be careful with your fats. You don't want to overdo it. Maybe 3 times a week, 4 max. And the other nights, try and go without overt fats. And so that's it. Simple. And I've got more romaine if my wife and I need it. I like the bowl. My wife likes the plate. So anyway, please subscribe to the channel, and please hit that when you next to the subscribe button. There's a little bell, and hit that as well, so you'll be notified when I put up new videos. And also, please check out some of the other videos on the channel. I really need more watch hours, so help me out if you can. Check them out. I think you'll find some of them very enlightening, what I've learned from my 13 years. So please give me a like, a thumbs up, and have a great one. Take care.